over 60. Eat these 3 morning foods to stop leg muscle loss and rebuild strength fast. Picture this. You go to stand up from your favorite chair, and your legs feel shaky, weak, almost like they don't belong to you anymore. It scares you because you used to get up without even thinking. Now every movement feels heavier, slower, more uncertain. Maybe in the morning you grab a quick cup of coffee, nibble on half a slice of toast, or sometimes skip breakfast completely. It seems harmless, right? But deep down you know your body is changing and it bothers you. You are not alone. Millions of folks over 60 feel the same way, wondering why walking up the stairs feels harder or why getting out of bed leaves their legs stiff and unsteady. Here's the simple truth. When you start your day without the right fuel, your muscles, especially in your legs, miss the signal to repair themselves. Over time, the quiet routine can shrink the very strength you need to stay independent. Every skipped breakfast is like pulling a few bricks out of the foundation of your house. Think about yesterday morning. What did you actually eat within the first 30 minutes after waking up? Pause for 5 seconds and be honest with yourself. That tight feeling in your calves, the tired heaviness in your thighs, it isn't just age, it's nutrition. The good news is you can flip this around fast. Tomorrow morning you can take one small step. Add the right foods, and you may feel more steady and less stiff in just a few days. In a few weeks you might climb stairs with confidence again. Stay with me because I'll show you 5 simple breakfast foods, all easy to find. Some already in your kitchen, and the last one is cheap. Less than $1, yet powerful enough to surprise you. Let's start with a food most people don't think of as a breakfast option, yet it can quietly become one of the smartest choices for your legs. Sweet potatoes with a pinch of natural mineral salt. Many folks over 60 wake up feeling stiff, drained, or weighed down in their legs. And often the morning meal only makes it worse with quick white toast or sugary cereal. Sweet potatoes are different. They provide complex carbs that digest slowly, giving your muscles steady fuel instead of a spike and crash. And that makes a huge difference when you are trying to keep your legs steady all day. Science explains why. Sweet potatoes are packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. 3 nutrients your muscles rely on for proper contraction, blood flow, and recovery. Potassium helps your muscles contract smoothly. Magnesium reduces stiffness and cramps. And vitamin C fights inflammation that can make your legs feel heavy and sore. When you sprinkle Celtic or Himalayan salt on top, you add over 80 trace minerals your body uses to hydrate muscle cells and improve nerve signals. Something regular table salt cannot do. In real life, that means fewer night cramps, better balance when you get out of bed, and less of the tight pulling feeling in your calves during the day. You can steam half a sweet potato, warm and soft, then add just a pinch of mineral salt. It costs under $1 and takes less than 10 minutes. For extra impact, pair it with a protein like eggs or Greek yogurt to keep your muscles rebuilding. A 2020 study showed seniors who ate high-fiber breakfast with potassium and magnesium had 50% fewer falls in only 3 months, a real difference you can feel. Start small. Try half a sweet potato tomorrow morning, and notice how your legs feel more ready for the day. Now let's move to another classic breakfast that becomes far more powerful with one tiny addition. There is something comforting about a warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning. It feels familiar and simple, yet when prepared the right way, it can be one of the most powerful breakfasts. For keeping your legs strong after 60, many people make the mistake of choosing quick toast, flavored cereal, or even skipping breakfast, and then wonder why their energy crashes or why their muscles feel stiff and weak later in the day. Oatmeal changes that story because it provides steady energy and helps your body actually use the protein you eat to repair muscle. The science is clear. Oatmeal is rich in a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber forms a gel in your stomach and slows digestion. So instead of spiking and crashing your blood sugar, it helps it rise gently and stay steady. Stable blood sugar means your body can absorb nutrients better and use protein for muscle repair. Instead of wasting it, add chia seeds and you take it up another level. 1 tablespoon gives you omega-3 salt, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all vital for muscle contraction and nerve function. Magnesium fights morning stiffness, potassium helps prevent cramps, and omega-3 salt reduces inflammation that quietly chips away at your mobility. In everyday life, this means less of the shaky feeling when you stand up, fewer night cramps, and a smoother energy that carries you through errands or even a walk around the block. To make it simple, cook half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds after cooking. And if you like, add a few blueberries or a couple slices of banana. It costs under $1 per serving and takes about 10 minutes. Studies published in the Journal of Gerontology link beta-glucan intake to better insulin sensitivity and stronger muscle recovery. And many of my own clients report they feel steadier within weeks of making this switch. Try your oatmeal tomorrow morning. Notice how your legs feel more relaxed and steady. And stay with me because the next food not only supports your muscles but also your bones. And balance. Few foods feel as smooth and satisfying as a spoonful of thick Greek yogurt. It is creamy, easy to enjoy, and quietly one of the best tools for protecting your muscles after 60. Many older adults reach for sweetened cereal or regular yogurt packed with sugar, then wonder why their energy dips or why their legs feel stiff and unsteady by midday. Greek yogurt is different. It is strained to remove excess liquid, leaving nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt. And that extra protein is exactly what aging muscles crave. Scientifically, it comes down to 2 key nutrients, casein and leucine. Casein digests slowly, giving your body a steady stream of amino acids that protect your muscles long after breakfast. Leucine is the spark that tells your muscles to start repairing and growing again, something your body becomes less responsive to with age. So getting more of it in the morning is critical. On top of protein, Greek yogurt delivers calcium and vitamin D, the dynamic duo that supports bone strength and neuromuscular coordination, both essential for balance and fall prevention. It also contains probiotics, the healthy bacteria that keep your gut strong. And when your gut is balanced, you absorb minerals like magnesium and potassium more effectively, which means less stiffness and better energy in your legs. In real life, this translates to being able to walk steadier, climb stairs with more confidence, and avoid that heavy feeling in your thighs as the day goes on. The best way to use it is simple. Choose plain unsweetened Greek yogurt, about 6 ounces or a single serving cup. Then top it with 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, a handful of fresh berries, and maybe a dash of cinnamon for blood sugar support. It costs around $1 to $1 per serving, depending on the brand, and takes no more than 2 minutes to prepare. A 2022 study in Osteoporosis International found that older adults who consumed higher amounts of calcium and vitamin D had better mobility and fewer falls, a benefit you can feel in your daily life. Try swapping your usual breakfast for Greek yogurt tomorrow morning. Notice the difference in your energy and steadiness. And keep watching because the next food is small but mighty when it comes to repairing muscle. Few foods are as simple and reliable as the humble egg. It has been on American breakfast tables for generations. Yet many people over 60 still overlook its true power for muscle health. For years, eggs carried a bad reputation because of cholesterol fears. So plenty of folks tossed the yolk or skipped eggs altogether. And now they wonder why their muscles feel weaker and their energy slips away during the day. The truth is that whole eggs are one of the most complete muscle repair foods you can eat, especially in the morning when your body is ready to rebuild. The science is straightforward. Eggs provide a perfect protein that includes all 9 essential amino acids. And among them, leucine stands out as the spark plug for muscle repair. Without enough leucine, your body never gets the signal to rebuild the muscle you lost overnight. As we age, our muscles respond less efficiently to protein, which means you actually need more high-quality protein compared to younger adults, just to get the same effect. The yolk is also packed with nutrients older adults are often low in, like vitamin D for muscle and bone strength, vitamin B12 for nerve function and coordination, and choline for brain to muscle communication. Eggs even provide heme iron, the type your body absorbs most easily, improving blood flow and cutting down on cramps, tingling, or the tired, heavy feeling in your legs. In everyday life, this means being able to stand from a chair without straining, climbing stairs without feeling drained, and walking with more confidence instead of hesitation. To apply it simply, eat 1 to 2 whole eggs within the first hour of waking up. They cost only about 25 to 30 cents each and can be boiled, poached, or scrambled lightly with olive oil. Avoid frying in butter or pairing with bacon and sausage, which add unhealthy fats and excess sodium. A study from the University of Illinois tracked older adults who ate the whole eggs daily for 8 weeks, and those participants showed measurable improvements in walking speed and lower body strength. Proof that the small habit delivers real results. Start tomorrow with 2 eggs and notice how much steadier you feel in just a week. And stay tuned because the next food is even easier. It is sweet, portable, and costs less than a cup of coffee. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful, and one of the best examples is the banana, a fruit that is almost always sitting on the kitchen counter or packed in a lunch bag. Yet it can be a secret weapon for your legs after 60. Many older adults avoid bananas because they worry about sugar, or they eat one on an empty stomach and then feel their energy spike and crash, leaving them shaky and tired. The problem is not the banana itself, but how and when you eat it. Bananas are loaded with potassium, and one medium banana gives you about 400 milligrams. Nearly 10% of your daily need. Potassium is the mineral that keeps your muscles contracting and relaxing smoothly. It also helps balance fluids in your body so your muscles stay hydrated. Without enough potassium, your legs may cramp at night, twitch when you first stand up, or feel weak during a walk. A 2021 CDC report found that more than 60% of older Americans do not get enough potassium, which slowly chips away at balance, coordination, and mobility. That is why bananas can make such a difference. They help refill what your body is missing. In real life, this means fewer night cramps, less stiffness in the morning, and steadier legs when climbing stairs or stepping off a curb. The key is to pair bananas with protein or healthy fat to slow digestion. That way your blood sugar stays steady and your body can use the potassium more effectively. Try slicing half a banana into your oatmeal with chia seeds, or enjoy it with a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt. If you have type 2 diabetes or kidney issues, choose a smaller banana or one that is slightly underripe with a green tint. It contains more resistant starch and less sugar, which is gentler on your system. It costs about 25 to 30 cents for one banana, far cheaper than most supplements or sports drinks. And it works naturally. Think of it as your built-in electrolyte refill. No need for a pricey bottle. One of my clients in her late 60s started adding half a banana with yogurt every morning. And within 3 weeks she reported far fewer cramps and more energy on her daily walks. So tomorrow morning, add a banana the smart way and feel your legs thank you. And keep watching because now we will pull everything together and show you how these foods create a powerful morning routine for strength and independence. You have now seen how 5 simple breakfast foods can help protect your legs, steady your balance, and keep you moving strong after 60. The message is clear. What you put on your plate each morning can add years of strength and independence to your life. Here is my encouragement. Tomorrow morning, take one small step. Boil 2 whole eggs or cook half a cup of oatmeal with a tablespoon of chia seeds. It costs less than $2 and takes about 10 minutes. And this single change can begin fueling your muscles the right way. Repeat it daily, and within weeks you may notice less stiffness, fewer cramps, and more steady energy in your legs. Talk to your doctor if you have diabetes, kidney concerns, or any special conditions, so you can adjust portions safely. Now I would love to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments so we can learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, tap like. It tells me to keep making content for you. And if you know a friend, parent, or neighbor over 60 who could use stronger legs, share this video with them today. Do not forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because in the next video I will reveal 3 common breakfast foods that seem healthy, but actually damage your muscles quietly over time. You do not want to miss that. Remember, consistency beats perfection. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and independent every day. And I am here to walk this journey with you.